getting one beige now here. Today we'll do the unboxing and first impression of this Dell Precision 7750. I know, the bees! Anyway, word of disclaimer is one of my work colleagues, he was so anxious to see this computer and get it up and going, he's already unboxed it. That's why I don't have my knife here. But he's put it back together again, so I have never seen this computer yet before, and so this will be my first view of this computer as well. Anyway, I have actually seen and played with the Dell Precision 7740, the one before this. I have actually even done a review of that. If you want to see that review, I'll put a link in the description below. And I've also just done the unboxing of the Precision 7550 as well. So I've got a little bit of idea what this has got. Now, and welcome back to all my return viewers. But for those who are new to my channel, I normally, for the unboxing and first impressions, I actually don't even look at the photos. All I do is pull up the spec sheet. I might just have a quick check on what kind of processor it has, RAM, and what kind of configuration it gets. I don't even look at what ports it has because I like to see what it comes out of the box anyway. So it's usually a nice surprise to me. And let's get on with it. Let's unbox this thing and see what's in this thing. Alright, let's go through. So, he's done the right thing and actually done it properly. Okay. Let's get this thing going. I'm going to try and push this down this way. Hopefully that will help you guys out. Alright. And always, if you know what I always like to do, is I like to actually get the power cable out here. So again, this is not free prong. This is your typical normal style computer power cable. I remember on the 7740, that was the exact same there as well. And it should be quite of a beast of a power adapter there. Yeah, this is... it's a bit of a beast. Again, barrel style AC port, and again, what is this thing? 240 watts. Yeah, that's big. That's a big brick. You will probably see this. I think even the docking station bricks are not as big as these things here, but this is very warranted for this kind of computer. That's why we call this the beast. And I'm going to pop it to the side, and we'll actually like to weigh that later on when I do the review for the video for this. So I will be creating a review video after this sometime. I've had spent some time with this computer, so be sure to check that out. I'll put a link in the description below when that's available as well too. All right, let's have a look at this. Pull this thing out. All right, let's jump down on the side. Alright, this thing is, whoa, I can feel the weight of this thing already. Okay, where's those muscles I had for my little baby? Nah. Yeah. This is, it's a bit of, I gotta get used to these things. These things are always quite a bit of a thing. There's anything else in there, it's just documentation, so I don't need to throw that away anyway. So, alright, let's have a look at this thing. Okay. Bring that out across. I can straight away feel it's aluminium. I can feel it already. I haven't even turned it over. And the back part, again, aluminium as well. So I can definitely feel that. That's nice to see that's aluminium. I can definitely see it's massive amount of vents here for that for sure. And I know this lever here is just like the 7550. That also is for the Ethernet. I haven't turned around to look at the ports yet. So this is going to be cool to have a look at that. I can give a big flip. Oh yeah, that's all aluminium there. And hinges, it's got big massive hinges there. That's really to support the big screen there. Alright, let's have a look at the ports quickly first, alright? So on this side, on the right side, the right side we've got the SD card reader, that's a full size there. We've got a headphone jack, we've got two USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, and one on the right is the power share. And then we've got the wedge lock slot there on the back. Oh, big vents again. That's great. And then we've got the mini display port. We've got the HDMI port. And then the RJ45. And then AC power there. And on the left side, is two Thunderbolt ports. Another USB 3.1 Gen 1 port. And then we've got the smart card reader. Oh wow, I've actually got one for there. That's good to see. I don't normally opt in for that, but looks like I did by accident. So that's kind of cool. Oh, it's got a bit of weight there. You just got to get used to the weight on this thing. Yeah, you do feel like a wounded gazelle trying to lift this thing around. All right, actually, let me get my hopper here. And then let's open this baby up to find out what we got. Is it going to be the same? Oh yeah, I do say. Oh. Yep, full-size keyboard as you can see, with the number pad system there. It's a little, and again, these keyboard here is definitely the 2020 version, like the Latitude 7000 series. They've redesigned it with this new one. I like it. I really do like it. They've got the little more narrow spacing, and they've still got a bit of plenty of keyboard or key travel. Sorry, plenty of key travel there, and yeah. Oh, still the nice, it's the texture of the keys. I just like the texture of the keys there for sure. And of course, you know, power button on the very right there, so it's not next to the delete key, which is great there. And let's have a look at the key, the trackpad. The trackpad is nice and large. That's about nearly the same size. I'll just have a quick look at it and just feel it. Will I do the same problem I have with the 5550? No, I won't, so that's great. So fantastic, and it's a good size. And it's still got the nice little mechanical buttons on the bottom of the trackpad, so all three of them, which is great there. Fantastic there. Now the configuration I have on this one here, if you haven't seen my previous video, which is the unboxing and first impression of the 7550, is this one is an i7 I got with a 32 gigs of RAM and the Quadro T1000. Now I've actually did that on purpose because I'm going to benchmarks have all three of these Precisions at about the same level, and we're going to have a look at see how the performance and thermals are going to be anyway. So yes, I am excited by that, and it's got a big massive screen. I'll do some testing on that screen later on a separate video as well too. That's fantastic. Now what I want to really try and do, oh, there's also speaker grills on the top. I can see it's just all along the front. I wonder if they actually did upgrade the speakers on this because that was one of the things that I found lacking on the 7740. So hopefully they've made some improvements on the speakers. I do hope so. Anyway, from the new Latitude series they have, so I'm hoping the Precision series they have as well too. Due to the timing of filming of the unboxing video of the Precision 7750, I could not actually turn the computer on and test out the speakers because it was really, really early in the morning and I had the rest of the family sleeping there. So I just waited to the daytime so I can actually play with the speakers. So I actually did have a little bit of play with the speakers, and I believe that I actually haven't done really too much in terms of sound quality of the 7750 speakers compared to the 7740. But I will check with Dell on that one there and get back to you there. So let's continue on the unboxing. Anyway, I want to try and do something really cool, unique anyway. So let's show you how large this thing is. Alright, move this out of the way. Alright, I'm going to bring in the 7550. This is the Precision 7550. Oh, okay, there we go. This is kind of showing you how large these things are. Oh, I've got it upside down. Let's do this properly. Now you've got to be on back to back. Okay, that kind of gives you an idea of 7550 to the 7750. Now I'm going to bring another computer in as well, and that's the Precision 5550. This is the thin one here. And how does that one compare? Oh, that's even smaller again. I've got nice sort of size. I've got boom, boom. It's nice to see. So you can actually see all three of them in one go. Now as for the size of the thinness, oh, that's a wait. Oh god, no, let's try. Oh man. Okay, wait, let me try and do something really interesting. Oh, you can just benchmark this and bench press. Yeah, it's pretty heavy there. Alright, Jesus, like I've been doing some push-ups here for the challenge, the 25 push-up challenge. I wouldn't be able to hold all three of these things. Right. This, hopefully, if I'm going to get some, you can actually see, is the thinness of each one there. I think it might be easier if I should put them on side by side like this. Okay. Alright. This, of course, I'll move this across to the side. Of course, 5550, that's going to be the thinnest. Next up is the, oh, actually I should put these two together, back to back, the 77 series. No, that's the same. They're the same there. So really, profile-wise, thickness-wise, there's, of course, the difference between the 75 and the 55, but the 75 and the 77, they're about the same there, so not there, it's just footprint itself. So I hope you find that actually interesting to actually see the size differences of the Precision line. I'm hoping to try and get the 3000 Precision line series in as well, but I don't think that's going to arrive in time before I have to return these ones back to Dell anyway. So anyway, I hope you find this informative and enjoyed it. Give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button on the bottom right hand screen. I do try to upload a new video every week. And just remember guys, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting. I'll see you next video.